guys, Jeff here, Skiessentials.com. We're here on a beautiful morning at Stowe Mountain Resort, and we're going to take some runs on these, you can see them, 2017 Blizzard Brahmas. Should be pretty fun. This is kind of a long length for me. It's a 187, but yeah, we're going to see how it goes and then give you guys a little review. Hi everyone, Jeff from Skiessentials.com, here to finish up our review of the 2017 Blizzard Brahma. Pretty cool ski, just like the Bonafide. Well, what they did to the Bonafide for this season, they've essentially done to the Brahma for 2017, which is add carbon to the tips and tails. They call it carbon flip core. So essentially the same design, same turn shape, same rocker profile, but now it's got carbon in the tips and the tails, and we all really liked it. Basically what the carbon does, and kind of what it did to the Bonafide as well, is it smooths out the entire ski. So it definitely eliminates pretty much all of the tip chatter or any vibrations that you would have felt in the rocker portion of the ski. And then it also really lightens the swing weight. So for me personally, we all kind of passed around a pair of 187s, which is definitely a long length for me. And I noticed the swing weight quite a bit. It was pretty easy to kind of release the tail edge and get the ski to pivot. Still super powerful, which I think is something the Brahma has always been known for. So it definitely retains that if you're the type of skier that just wants to make really powerful turns. But a little bit more forgiving with the carbon and the tips and the tails. We haven't really skied it in too much choppy conditions yet, but I think it's going to perform really well, and I think it'll be a little bit better than the previous version. So yeah, that's the new 2017 Blizzard Brahma, and definitely check them out next season. Even if you've skied them before, the new one's definitely different. So give them a try, and yeah, it's a great ski.